sleepyhead. Say happy birthday to Amanda. Happy birthday, Mandy. Happy birthday from Jocelyn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amanda. Happy birthday to you. I'll save you some of my milk, okay? Come see me, I love you. Happy birthday, Amanda.